In this short tutorial, I will show you how to stop saving WhatsApp photos in the gallery on your iPhone. Many of us receive a lot of photos on WhatsApp that automatically get saved in our phone's gallery, cluttering it up. By following a few simple steps, you can easily prevent this from happening. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application. And then tap Settings at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then scroll down a bit and tap Chats. Now you'll see an option called Save to Photos, which is enabled. Automatically save photos and videos you receive to Photos. To stop saving WhatsApp photos to the gallery, simply toggle off this switch. Once you've turned it off, any new photos or videos sent to you on WhatsApp will no longer be automatically saved to your iPhone's gallery. This simple adjustment can help declutter your photo collection and ensure that only the photos you choose are stored in your device's memory. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.